Ever opened your Monzo app and thought, there has to be a better way to do this? I've been a Monzo user for a while now, and in the beginning, I was just using it like any other bank account. I'd get my salary in, and, well, that was it. I was totally missing out on the features that make Monzo genuinely different and powerful. It wasn't until I started talking to other users and digging around that I found some absolute game changers. So, here are 5 Monzo tips I wish I knew sooner that have completely changed how I manage my money. First up is setting up your salary sorter. This one is a no-brainer. On payday, instead of manually moving money around to different pots for bills, savings, and spending, Monzo can do it all for you. You just tap on your salary payment in the app, and you can tell it to automatically distribute a specific amount to each pot you've set up. This completely removes the temptation to borrow from your savings pot before your bills are paid. It's an instant financial reset every month. Number 2 is creating a bills pot. This might sound obvious, but hear me out. You can actually set your direct debits and standing orders to come directly from a specific pot. That means you can fund your bills pot at the start of the month and then just forget about it. Everything is covered, and you can see exactly how much money you have left to spend without worrying about hitting a bill payment. This one single change has brought me so much peace of mind. Tip number 3 is all about the roundups. If you're not using this, you are missing out on the easiest way to save money without even noticing. It's a classic feature, but one I ignored for too long. For every card payment you make, Monzo can round it up to the nearest pound and put the difference in a designated pot. It's 50p here, £1 and 20 pence there. It doesn't feel like much at the time, but it adds up so quickly. Fourth on the list is shared tabs. Whether you're splitting a household bill with a housemate or keeping track of who paid for what on a group holiday, the shared tabs feature is a lifesaver. No more guessing who owes who money or having to chase people down. You can add each item as you go, and Monzo does all the maths for you. When it's time to settle up, it's a single tap for Monzo users or an easy payment request for everyone else. It takes all the awkwardness out of splitting expenses. And finally, tip number 5 is all about going beyond the basics. Don't be afraid to connect Monzo to other apps and services. You can use services like If to create custom automations. For example, you can set it to automatically put £5 in your holiday pot every time it rains in your city, or to add money to a savings pot every time you hit your step goal. It's a fun way to get creative with your finances, and it really makes your money work for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.